welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at a machine that doesn't just break the rules, it rewrites them. This is a Caterpillar D8 transformed into a D11 class giant. Engineers took the proven D8 platform and rebuilt it into something with the size, stance, and aggression of a mining-grade dozer, and the result is absolutely insane. Asterisk, from the first glance, you can tell this isn't a standard D8. The frame has been stretched and reinforced to handle extreme loads. The stance is wider, and the entire body carries the muscular proportions of a D11. The track system has been converted to a high drive, set up with oversized rollers, idlers and sprockets, delivering ground pressure and traction you normally only see in mining dozers. The track shoes are nearly 30 inches wide, built for ripping through rock, clay, or hardpan without hesitation. Asterisk, up front is a full D11-style U-blade with a towering moldboard, thick ribs, and a high-wear cutting edge. It covers more ground in every push and takes full advantage of the boosted power under the hood. The blade hydraulics have been swapped for heavy-duty cylinders with quicker lift and deeper bite. Asterisk, the engine is where the real evolution happens. The original D8 power plant has been replaced with a Cat C32 class setup, delivering between 850 and 900 horsepower. Twin turbos, upgraded cooling, and high-flow exhaust give it the brutal torque of a D11 while keeping the engine response sharp. The transmission and torque converter were rebuilt to mine, and the final drives were reinforced to handle non-stop ripping and pushing. Asterisk, at the rear, a D11 grade single shank ripper dominates the back end. The hydraulic system has been upgraded to deliver deep penetration and huge breakout force. There's support for a dual shank configuration as well. Depending on job requirements, asterisk, step inside the cab and you're greeted with a full D11 inspired operator environment. The cabin has been raised for better visibility, fitted with armored glass, thicker structural pillars, and a redesigned roof. The premium air suspension seat, touchscreen interface, GPS guidance, CAT command readiness, and upgraded controls make it feel more like a next-gen mining dozer than a modified construction machine. LED lighting wraps around the cab, the grille, and the rear ripper zone, giving full visibility in low-light shifts or night operations. Asterisk, the visuals complete the transformation. The machine is finished in a glossy cat yellow or custom matte black, depending on spec, with bold D11 markings on the side panels. The hood is extended, the grille is redesigned with heavy mesh, and the cat monogram stands out across the nose. Skid plates, armored side guards, and massive fenders add protection and presence. From every angle, front, side, rear, or three-quarter view, it looks like a factory-built mining monster. Asterisk, on the performance side, it delivers the muscle to push loads that a normal D8 could never touch. It rips harder, pushes longer, and handles grades with the same authority as a stock D11. Fuel capacity and cooling have been increased to support long shifts, and maintenance access points were reworked to match the upgraded components. Asterisk, the cost of a transformation like this depends on the build, but compared to buying a brand new D11, it's a fraction of the price while delivering nearly the same capability. For contractors, mining outfits, or heavy earth-moving crews, this conversion offers a customized high-torque dozer without the massive investment of a brand new machine. Asterisk, if you've ever wondered what would happen if you gave a D8 the heart, armor, and attitude of a mining legend, this build is the answer. It's a hybrid of raw power and engineering creativity, part upgrade, part reinvention, and all muscle. Asterisk, stick around for more insane builds, heavy equipment, transformations, and hardcore machinery breakdowns. Make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want to walk around. Price breakdown or image prompts of this D8 Intuiti 11 powerhouse